Okay guys, so we've got all four of our charts. The next thing we need to do is the analysis portion. Now, the analysis portion is worth most of the marks of this stack. So please focus and make sure that you do everything properly. First thing you want to do is go back to Compass and make sure you download the actual stack. So I've re-uploaded it and it's actually got a couple of changes. So once you're in here, you'll see that we've got a couple of different things in the analysis portion. I've removed the pictograph. So we're just dealing with the four charts that we just made. Right. So you want to have a blank Word document, and this is where you're going to put your charts. So the first thing we're going to do is analyze the pie chart. So make sure that we get one that has percentage numbers. Then we Control C, copy, and then Control V to paste into our infographic. Now, we also need to mention, and this is something that you guys should try, insert text box. This means that we can put text wherever we like and we don't have to press tab or enter a million times to get it where we want it. And we need to mention the mode here. So the most frequent response was yes. So most people tried likes. So you need to make a little comment about the pie chart. You actually need to change this to square so it doesn't do that annoying thing where if you move stuff, it moves itself. Okay, so just checking on the stack. Now we've included the numerical values and we've commented on the mode. So that's our analysis done for the pie chart. The next analysis we need to make is the bar or column chart. So go back into our Excel spreadsheet, go to bar chart, get this graph as well, Control C to copy, and then Control V, paste again. That should pop up in a second. There we go. Make sure you choose square. It just makes it easier to move it around. And what did we need to write down about this? Well, we needed to comment on the mode again and include a misleading y-axis. Okay, how are we going to do this? Well, okay. Let's insert a text box again. So let's drag this text box near this chart and mention the mode. The most common response was mountain biking. Just something like here, like that. Now, we also needed to have a misleading y-axis. All right. Well, we click the y-axis, right-click it, and go Format Axis. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be so misleading that we actually ignore two of the bars. So we're going to set the minimum here, in my case, to 4, and let's just have a look at what happens. Now, it looks like the fixie and road bike had no one, and BMX and mountain bikes were really, really popular. Cruiser bikes only had one. So I would say that looks pretty misleading, and why don't we just keep that there? So now we've got a misleading bar